What's the meaning of cephalic? Cephalic. Cephalic.
Cephalic. Cephalic. Cephalic is an adjective that refers to something related to the head or skull. It can also refer to the position of something located near or directed toward the head, such as the cephalic vein located near the head or the cephalic presentation of a fetus during childbirth. In medical terminology, it is used to describe the headward direction of an anatomical structure or imaging scan. Overall, cephalic is a term used to describe anything related to or located near the head or skull.